How close are we, Eleanor, to a global multiple compression in equities?
I don't think we necessarily are that close to it. I know that it's what's all in our mind at the moment because it is what happened in the fourth quarter of 2018. And certainly we have, since the fourth quarter of 2018, seen a lot of multiple expansion over the course of 2019. And that's what explains the very strong equity performance that we've had this year, because unfortunately, on the other side, the earnings picture has not been quite as rosy, and we have seen considerable earnings downgrades for this year. Having said that, we are still just in a couple of economies still in positive territory for earnings growth in 2019. And for 2020, I would argue that the earnings growth is possibly a little bit overly optimistic, notably in sectors such as energy and materials. So there is room, certainly, for a multiple compression. Whether there is genuinely sufficient raison d'être for that to happen is still, I would suggest, somewhat open to debate, and probably, unfortunately, because I prefer things to be decided on the basis of equity fundamentals rather than external political noise. But I expect that what happens in terms of the multiple for equity is more dependent on decisions taken still by central banks and particularly possibly the political framework that we're in.